Affinity Designer 2 is a powerful design software focused on creating high-quality vector graphics, illustrations, and designs. It provides an intuitive interface and a variety of advanced tools for both professional and beginner users. Here's a guide on how to effectively use Affinity Designer 2. Installation. Download and install Affinity Designer 2 from the official website. Once installed, launch the software to begin using it. User interface. The interface of Affinity Designer 2 is designed for flexibility and efficiency. Key components include Tool Panel. Contains essential tools such as the Move tool, Pen tool, Shape tools, and more. Studio Panels. Accessible panels like color, layers, styles, and brushes for customization. Context Toolbar. Display settings for the selected tool or object. Creating a new document. New document. Start by creating a new project and set your document size, resolution, color mode, and other properties like bleed settings. Artboards. Affinity Designer 2 supports creating multiple artboards within a single document, ideal for multi-page or responsive designs. Using tools. Pen tool. Create custom shapes and pads by clicking to add anchor points and connecting them. Selection tools. Move, resize, and transform objects easily with tools like Move, Scale, Rotate, and Shear. Brushes and painting tools. Use the brush tool for freehand sketching and applying strokes, while using the vector brush to draw paths. Working with layers. Layers panel. Manage your design by creating multiple layers to separate different elements. Masks and effects. Apply masks to selectively edit areas of a design, and use effects like shadows, blurs, and blending modes for more creative control. Exporting your work. Export options. After completing your design, export it in various formats including PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF, or TIFF depending on the use case.